So everyone's heard about those Lego blocks, those ugly things you got to get out of your RV in the middle of the night. It's raining, there's mud outside, but you need to level your RV so that your appliances don't fail, your refrigerator doesn't fail. All those things need a level surface to function properly, not to mention just a little bit more comfortable. The best way to solve that problem is to toss the Lego blocks and get yourself a hydraulic leveling system. This is an Equalizer Systems. That's our preferred vendor. We're partners with them. We've been installing these for a while. People love them. They're so easy to use. One press of a button and your entire coach is level, stable. That's important. It's also insulated a little bit better. It's quieter inside. And you can operate it all from this panel here, or use your smartphone as well. It's got a cool app. You can use it as long as you're within, I think, 100 feet of the RV. It runs off Bluetooth. And it's very easy to set up. Once it's installed, the installation is quite the process. That's one of the few things we will do that most likely we won't be able to install on your property at site. We will have to do that off-site, but it is something that we are capable of doing. It will work on, again, Class A diesel pushers, gas engines, Class C travel trailers, pretty much any type of RV. There is a leveling system for it. We really recommend it, and we can save you a lot on this. This is something that the dealerships and most RV shops will charge you anywhere from, we've seen $13,000, $20,000. We'll be a fraction of that. We're going to make it a lot easier for you to get into a leveling system and have that kind of comfort you deserve when you're in your RV. Just thought for fun, I would go ahead and demo this process for you, just show you how easy it is. Once we configure it, there is a process involved of configuring it, getting it to auto level. That's something obviously we will take care of before we hand it over, but this one's already been configured. This was a recent installation, so I'm going to show you really quick. Right now we're parked in a relatively level parking lot, but I'm sure we're still off by at least a half a degree or more. So this will go ahead and control for that, and it'll give us that extra stabilization we all want when we're at a campsite. So I'm going to go ahead and press auto level. Here we go. You can see the rear stabilizing jacks are coming down after the fronts. I didn't show the front, but the backs are coming now. We've already got it calibrated to automatically level itself on any surface. We also added the snap pads to this particular installation. We really recommend the snap pads. That gives you extra stability on any surface.